Are you ready to make your website stand out in search results and skyrocket your click-through rates? Let's learn how to use Trustpilot Reviews for rich snippets. First, head over to trustpilot.com and log into your business account. We will need to gather some information from your Trustpilot profile. Next, copy the URL of your Trustpilot business profile page. You'll need this to generate the correct schema markup. Now, find a reliable schema markup generator tool online. There are many free options available. Search for schema markup generator, and be sure that the tool you are using supports generating aggregate rating schema. In the schema markup generator, you'll need to fill in the required fields. Use your business name, and for the aggregate rating information, input the average rating displayed on your Trustpilot profile and the total number of reviews. Once you've filled in all the details, the generator will produce the schema markup code. Carefully copy this code. Now, access your website's backend. Find the section where you can add custom code, which is usually in a header or footer file, or using a plugin designed for schema implementation. Paste the generated schema markup code into this section, making sure to save your changes. Finally, use Google's Rich Results Test tool to validate your implementation. This will confirm if your schema is correctly implemented and eligible for rich snippets in search results. This tool can be found by searching Rich Results Test on Google. Enter the URL of your web page and run the test. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a confirmation that your page is eligible for rich snippets. It may take some time for Google to crawl and index the changes, so be patient, and that's it. Enjoy the increased visibility and click-through rates.